Welcome to all, dear students and viewers. Today I am going to provide you a lecture on topic frequency curve. In this topic, we will learn about the definition of frequency curve, how this frequency curve is drawn from a given data. कैसे हम frequency curve draw करते हैं from a given data. This we will learn in this lecture. Now, first we will define frequency curve. Frequency curve is defined a curve obtained by joining midpoints of all tops of histogram by freehand smooth curve. इस डेफिनेशन से क्लियर है कि फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व को ड्रॉ करने के लिए पहले हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है हिस्टोग्राम, and we have already learned about the histogram in one of our previous lectures. I hope you have understood that by viewing that lecture. And when we draw a histogram on a given data, उसके बाद हमें ज्वाइन करना है जो टॉप ऑफ हिस्टोग्राम है, उसके जो मिड पॉइंट्स है उसको हम बाय फ्री हैंड स्मूथ कर्व ज्वाइन करते हैं. उसके बाद जो हमें कर्व ड्रॉ करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व. Now why it is known as frequency curve, that will be clear when we draw a histogram from a given data. After that we will draw a frequency curve. Now suppose the available data is weight of children is having age equal to 5 years. हमारे पास जो डेटा है वो है वेट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन जिनकी उम्र 5 साल है. Weight of children in kgs. Number of children having different weights, which is known as frequency of that variable. Here the variable is weight of children in kgs. In place of number of children, we can also write the term frequency, which shows the number of times a value of particular variable repeats in a given series. And we have different weight groups, different class intervals showing different weights of children. The first class interval or first weight group, let us suppose it is 18 to 20 kgs. Second is 20 to 22 kgs, and last one is 22 to 24 kgs. And number of children is in this weight group 18 to 20 kgs, suppose there are 8 children. And in this weight group, let us take the number of children is equal to 10. And in the last class interval, in the last weight group 22 to 24 kgs, let us take the number of children is equal to 6. This is the given data from which we have to obtain a frequency curve. जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि frequency curve obtain करने के लिए हमें पहले हमें ड्रॉ करना है histogram. Therefore, first we will draw a histogram from this given data. On horizontal axis, we take the value of variable. Here the variable is weight in kgs, weight in kgs. And on vertical axis, we take the frequency of the variable, which is number of children. Number of children. The weight, the lowest weight is 18 kgs and highest is 24. These are the different weight groups. We will start from 18. We can also start from 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Between these values, there will lie these values, or we will directly use these values in order to make it simple for you. 18, 20, 22, 24, lowest and the highest. And number of children, the lowest one is 6 and highest one is 8. I will start from 2, 4, sorry, the lowest is 6 and the highest is 10 children. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now, in the first class interval, in the first weight group, there are 8 children. It will start from here. This is the 8, and the weight lies between 18 to 20. I will write here 8. In the weight group of 20 to 22 kgs, there are 10 students. I will extend upward this line up to 10. This will be the 10. And on horizontal axis, it lies between 20 to 22 kgs. 10. And in the last class interval, in the last weight group, there are 6 children. Here it will be 6, and on horizontal axis it shows the weight between 22 to 24. Now this is the histogram whose height, whose length depends upon the given frequency. And by joining the midpoints of the top of all these histograms, by joining the midpoints of all tops of this histogram, we will get a frequency curve. And when we know that this top of the histogram, this length of the histogram depends upon the given frequency, and when we get a frequency from this midpoint of the top of the frequency, we will get a frequency curve. That is why it is known as frequency curve. By Joining the midpoints of all the tops of this histogram by freehand smooth curve. This is the curve, frequency curve, which we have obtained by joining the midpoints of all tops of this histogram. These are the top points and midpoints of this histogram. This is the frequency curve. I hope you have understood it, and you will do more examples on this topic at your home by taking different variables, such as in place of weight you will take age in years and number of persons and their different values, or you can take marks in a particular subject or particular class and number of students, or you can take a variable